Milo, go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Good boy. Go get him. Go get him. Get in there. Go get him. Go get him. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Go get him, Milo.
Is the ball in there?
No, nothing. He's just in a mood. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Get out of here. What are you doing? His whole body's frozen. He still wants to go out and look at him. Good boy. He's not afraid, that's for sure. Sure wish we could send that. Okay, it's probably time to go.